Okay, we're recording.
Okay, so I'm just going to back to flight calls.
Charlie Echo Fox Zulu, 4,500 feet, just to the west of Brookdish. And we'll be staying in one.
So here's my pen.
Alright.
Keep it sort of on your right hand, and then when we're doing that, try
so
to...
just hold my hand open?
Yeah, that's what happens.
Yeah. Okay.
Honestly, I've never done it with a pen before.
Right.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh!
I lost the phone. Oh!
Awesome.
I need 2,000 pants. My whole legs went in the air.
I know. Do you have my pen? Because I want to keep it. If you can see it anywhere, if not, so I'm going to find it. Is it behind you? Yeah, okay. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and the glove box came open with the sick bags there.
Yeah. I'll probably need them.
The next one's going to be the fun one, okay?
Right, what's this?
This one is the spin.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Don't worry about it. Oop, our speed's getting a little low there. Just hang on. We'll be good.
Just hands and knees are okay.
Yeah, hands and knees is fine. Don't panic. Everything's on. On the pulling out of the bottom part, when we're pulling out to level, you're going to feel G's.
Yeah.
Your face is going to fucking melt, okay?
Right.
Traffic Alpha, this is Matthew Franklin, coming over the Dragon speed at 6,000 feet, about to do some spins.
Alright, so I'm going to do my Hazel check. My height's good. Area's good. Cockpit is secure. We checked all that stuff already. Engine on, both fastest on. And I'm doing my lookout turn. And you sure we're recording this?
Yeah, we're recording.
Okay. Awesome, so we're good to go. No worries. All going to be fucking fun. Here we go. I'm just going to bring the power back to 1500 RPM. We're going to go to the left, to your side, so you won't be moving as aggressively as I will.
Okay, that's good.
Speed's going to come down slowly here because I have power in.
Yeah.
That power, I'm going to bring it back just to slow us. I'm going to need that power though to aggravate us to get us in actual spin. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, here we go. And we're going over. And bring power to idle. I'm just going to hold it. And we'll do some rotations. Like the fishtailing the plane. So if I push it hard, is that? Oh. Like a freaking snake, huh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
You ready, fucker?
Oh.
I did our Hazel check, we're good to go. Over.
Whoa.
That's a spin. again. Release.
Oh man. I just shit my pants.
Point below by another
Wow. No more of that.
Okay. I'm good with that.
Yeah. I shit myself. It was great fun, but I shit myself.
No worries, dude. We're good.
I've never, ever done anything like that before.
Yeah, well, why not?
You know, I mean, that's just, man, that was a roller coaster times 1,000.
I think we got that.
Yeah. Yeah, and the mics were connected as well. So we may have lost the mics in the first spin. That was great. But thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm good too. That was
My God. When you're on the outside of the spin, that's a completely different experience.
you could.
Yeah, you get thrown. Literally, I felt that so much more. Yeah, I shit myself. Not literally. Right. Oh, man.
Yeah, the Charlie Romeo to the Columbus is working over Square Lake 4000.
So now we're
We're going to leave this area.